every single cell in your body requires that it does not produce on its own, that would be omega-3 fatty acids. Based on my research, omega-3 fatty acids have many increased health benefits, as well as there can be health risks if you have a deficiency in omega-3. And during the minutes to follow, I'll be presenting some information to you about omega-3s and why they are vital to your health. Two different sources of omega-3s include natural foods, and the other will be supplements made by those natural foods. Second, I'm going to explain how important they are for certain functions of the human body, and that is why every single cell in your body requires omega-3. Third being, if you don't have enough omega-3, it will cause many diseases that can cause other risks, and I'll be going over what some of those symptoms will be. First of all, omega-3 is a fatty acid, which is a part of the essential fats group. That means that our body does not produce it on its own. We have to get omega-3 fatty acids through our diet and through supplements. The most well-known and popular source of natural food source of omega-3 would be wild-caught cold water fish, including herring, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, salmon, and tuna, just to name a few. Most people should eat 2 or more servings of fish a week. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, flesh from grass-fed cows contain higher amounts of omega-3 than their counterparts who are fed grains. In addition, chickens who are fed grass and insects have higher amounts of omega-3 versus chickens who are fed grains. This also goes for the eggs of grass versus grain-fed chickens. And I encourage you to look more into that outside of this speech, the grass versus grain-fed animals. Most people, on average, don't eat enough fish or eat the grass-fed meat. And if that's you, then it's really important to look into supplements. High-quality supplements of omega-3s are made with the higher quality fish, such as herring and mackerel. Second, omega-3 are vital to healthy functions of our bodies. There are many health benefits that omega-3s have, such as reducing inflammation, healthy nervous system, improved cardiovascular system, increased brain function, as well as decreased anxiety and depression. It's no wonder then why so many people are really starting to look more into making sure they get their daily intake of omega-3s. According to the Cleveland Clinic, early Arctic explorers noted that the Eskimos, despite their consumption of high fatty foods and high cholesterol foods, had the lowest risk of heart disease. And because of this, they started to look into it a little more, and scientists and physicians were stumped and considered it a paradox until they looked more closely at their diets. What they found has changed the way nutritionists and physicians prevent heart disease as well as treat heart disease. They found that Eskimos' diets were rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, omega-3 can omega-3 deficiency can cause many risks to your health. And some of these symptoms include things such as anxiety, depression, high cholesterol, cardiovascular problems, eczema, hair loss, eye problems. if you're experiencing any of these, I encourage you to contact your doctor and let them know that you feel you have a deficiency in omega-3s. In conclusion, omega-3s are vital to our health, and many people are looking into making sure they have their daily intake of omega-3s, and depending on your food sources, there's other types of foods outside of fish and animals that you can get omega-3s outside of supplementation, and that includes things such as, you can scan in, flaxseed, cloves, walnuts, oregano, cauliflower, sardines, mustard seeds, cabbage, romaine, broccoli, Brussels, and that's just to name a few. You can go online and get more information on that, but again, I hope after you've had this information and it's known to you now, you can change what you know, and I hope that you will look into making sure your intake of omega-3s is what it needs to be. Thank you.